y'all, what's up? It's Alisha. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be I guess kind of like my tips on how I have grown my hair to be a pretty good length in less than a year. I actually big chopped for the second time in end of July of 2017. So less than a year ago, I big chopped my hair. And when I say big chop, I really do mean big chop because my hair was honestly pretty short. Like, I really couldn't do any hairstyles besides like a puff or a wash and go, and that was about it. Like, I couldn't really do much with it. Literally, they were like this short. My bangs were like this short, so I didn't have any length up here. I hardly had any length down here. It was like, y'all, was short. Compared to how my hair was before the big chop, it was short. And I have like just tried my best to get my hair to grow or I guess just retain length over the past 11 months. And I feel like I have done a pretty decent job at doing that. And so many of you guys have been like commenting on my vlogs and on this channel about how my hair has gotten longer and how you guys have seen growth. So I figured I would go ahead and address my hair length. Honestly, there isn't a magic potion. There is like no secret really to it. It's just taking care of your hair. That's literally all it is. And I have gone through a lot with my hair over the past 11 months. I had a baby, which means postpartum shedding. That was the big reason why I decided to big chop, because I had so much postpartum shedding, y'all. And when I say postpartum shedding, I legit mean postpartum shedding. My edges were pretty much gone. They're like grown in now, but I went through like a good 5, maybe even 6 months of just constant shedding. My edges were gone. My hair was thinning out. Like, I have gone through a lot over the past 11 months, and I have still managed to get my hair to be back to being healthy, being full, and also to be longer, which is an achievement. The most important one is to make sure my hair is moisturized at all times. Like, I do not play about having dry hair. If my hair even feels an ounce dry, like even an ounce dry, I moisturize it. I apply a leave-in conditioner or a styling cream, a styling butter, something to get my hair to be moisturized again. I'll spray some water, add some moisturizer, and call it a day. But my hair is always moisturized, because of course dry hair means breakage, and that will pretty much prevent you from seeing length. So my hair is always moisturized 24/7. Even if I have to, I will like wash my hair midweek just to kind of add some moisture back into my hair. I'll co-wash. I deep condition at least once a week, and that like is important for me. You guys may not see the importance of moisture, but I promise y'all it makes a huge difference. So there's a couple of times that I'll skip it, but it's not because I want to, it's because I'm busy. But I always try my absolute hardest to deep condition at least once a week, sometimes twice a week if I have to. But it's all about is taking care and giving your hair the TLC that it needs. I steam my hair quite often. And if you guys don't know what a steamer is, it's pretty much a contraption that pretty much like brings moisture and brings water back into your hair. And it also helps a deep conditioner to penetrate your hair follicles even more, so your hair just gets the ultimate moisture. So I do that quite often. I do it at least twice a month, and I'll just sit under my steamer for about like 30 minutes to 45 minutes, depending on how I'm feeling, and my hair always feels like butter afterwards. You can use either a floor like stand-up type steamers, which are more expensive. Mine was like $100, I believe, from Amazon, so it's kind of pricey. But you can also use a handheld steamer and just kind of like run the steamer around your hair a few times for about 20 minutes, and it does the exact same thing. So either way, I just highly recommend getting a steamer in your life, and I promise it'll bring that moisture back. I also will sit under a hooded dryer whenever I don't steam to kind of help the deep conditioner soak into my hair as well. So I always rotate between hooded dryer, steamer, hooded dryer, steamer. I also took hair vitamins, but it wasn't that long. I took hair vitamins from like November to about March, and I stopped using them. I just stopped using it. I forgot to take it one day and then I never took it again. So, but that may have played a big part as far as my edges growing back in and my hair getting fuller. I love, love, love these vitamins, y'all. Healthy Hair Adult Vitamins with biotin. Like, they were my go-to vitamins. And I definitely saw a difference in my hair, the fullness, the growth. Whenever I use these, they are probably like $15. They're not that expensive. I actually want to order some more to start taking them again because I miss the growth that I saw with these vitamins. But I did take these and they definitely helped a lot with my hair growth. I'm sure there are other vitamins out there, so do your research, but these definitely helped me out a lot. What else did I do, you guys? Because I didn't really do that much. I also did low manipulation hairstyles. So if you guys know me and know my channel, I don't really do very extreme hairstyles. I keep it pretty simple and pretty basic. So I'll do like twist outs, braid outs, wash and goes. But I hardly ever do like very intricate hairstyles. I may do a perm rod set or a like flexi rod set here and there. But for the most part, my routine for my hair is pretty simple. I focus more so on like the simple hairstyles and like maintaining moisture, deep conditioning routines, all that stuff, because that part is more important to me, and I find that helps your hair to grow. Whenever you start putting your hair into like really tight hairstyles, really tight ponytails, really intricate ponytails, parting your hair too much, combing your hair too much, brushing your hair too much, that causes breakage. It's not worth it. I love my length, I love my growth, and I want to continue to see it flourish. So that's just how I am. Along with low manipulation hairstyles, I also protective style. I am not one to be scared of wearing a wig. I wear wigs quite often. I feel like it does a great job of giving your hair a break, because if you're playing in your hair so much, it's gonna cause breakage or some sort of shedding, unnecessary shedding or something like that. So I try to keep it simple by putting on a wig every now and then, and I don't touch my hair until wash day. So it works, y'all, I promise. Either a wig, I don't do sew-ins because sew-ins will pull your hair, but a wig is like definitely the way to go when you want to give your hair a break. It's okay. It is truly okay to give your hair a break with the wig for like a week or two. Along with all those tips, I do my absolute best to drink as much water as I can. I practically drink, I know I drink at least a half a gallon a day. I try to reach a gallon, but at least a half a gallon a day I always meet, because I just love drinking water. I find that definitely helps in getting, you know, that blood flowing and getting my hair to grow. And I also try my best to eat as clean as possible. I don't eat the cleanest. I don't eat clean. I just eat as clean as I can. So I will try to stick to eating as much vegetables as I can, as much fruit as I can, and all that good stuff. I don't like cheat myself, but I do try to eat clean, as at least for like breakfast and lunch, you know? Like I try to balance, you know? And of course, giving yourself some scalp massages, applying a nice growth oil always helps. I use castor oil, and I give myself a scalp massage with castor oil at least twice a week to get my blood flowing, get things, you know, going up there, and that will promote hair growth. So some sort of like hair massage or scalp massage, growth oils never hurt. I also love to use like split in / like breakage prevention oils. So one that I just used in my previous video is the Cream of Nature Essential 7 Treatment Oil, and this one is a repairing oil. I use these quite often because it really helps to prevent breakage and keep your ends moisturized. Of course, when you wear clothes, your ends are always brushing against your clothes. So applying an oil that specifically for repairing and preventing breakage, that will keep your ends healthy and will not break off whenever you're doing whatever you are with your clothes. I have like barely blow dried my hair. If I have blow dried my hair, I don't think I have. But I haven't blow dried, I haven't flat ironed, I haven't done any type of direct heat to my hair, which is why my curls are so defined and like so bouncy and so healthy and not dry and brittle and things like that. It's because I haven't applied any direct heat at all. Besides a hooded dryer, that's pretty much all I use on a regular basis, and I may diffuse every now and then, but yeah, That's it. Like, I don't apply any heat to my hair, which I feel like is the key part in getting your hair to grow. Before I big chopped, y'all, my curls were like, they were terrible. My roots were straight all the way until like right here. It will be straight. It was a mess. So I vowed to not apply any direct heat anytime soon. For now, I'm holding off on applying direct heat because it's not your friend. And trust me, I know I had to big chop because of it, and it's just not fun. I know I should say getting trims is like the big thing and it should help my hair grow, but honestly, y'all, I haven't had a haircut or a trim since I big chopped. Yes, you heard me right. Since I big chopped back in July of last year. So almost a year without a trim. I'm about to schedule one, but yeah, I have gone almost a year without a trim and my hair has grown just fine. Now, do I have some split ends that I need to get rid of? Yes, probably. And that'll be taken care of at my hair appointment. But as far as affecting the growth of my hair and seeing length and retaining length, it has not played a part in my hair at all. So yeah, honestly, that is pretty much it. Like I said, I don't really do that much to my hair because I feel like it's just simple. Like, take care of your hair, keep your hair moisturized, just do what you feel is best for your hair. You know your hair. I know my hair. I know what my hair needs. Whenever my hair needs protein, I give it protein. Whenever my hair needs moisture, I give it extra moisture. But I just focus on how my hair is, what I know my hair needs, and I live. I do my thing, try to stay out of my hair and let it kind of flourish on its own. And this is what I have. I'll show you guys a little bit of a length check. So I am just almost at armpit length, which is crazy because I haven't been at armpit length since like, godly, since like 2015 probably, like 2 years ago, because I cut my hair before my big chop as well. Y'all, I'm all over the place, but probably since like 2015, my hair hasn't been that length in a very long time, and it's growing. Can't wait to see how it will be next year. Hopefully it's like past armpit length, practically boob length. If it could be like at least right here, y'all, be good. Be good. I'm excited to take you guys along on this ride. It's been a crazy one so far, but we have so much more to achieve, and I'm excited to share with you guys. So hope y'all enjoyed the video, found it helpful. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and comment them down below. And as always, I love you guys. Have a wonderful day, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye, guys.